Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks, and this is how to cut eggplant. Now, eggplant is so easy to cut. You can cut it into either rings or dice it, depending on what your recipe calls for. We'll start with rings. Now, take your knife and get a good firm hold on it at the base of your knife. Slice off the top of the eggplant, and then slice it into rings. It is that simple. Now, if you're planning to dice your eggplant, cut off the top of the eggplant, then cut off the bottom, then cut lengthwise into slices. Take the slices and cut them lengthwise into strips. Then turn them and cut them into squares. That's all there is to it. That is how to cut an eggplant. For more of our knife skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.